Good morning, everyone. Welcome to MTL Box Breaks. It is Sunday, September the 15th, and it is 8:31 a.m. Eastern Time. So I will now do the break number 292, which is a Panini Zenith 2010-11 serial number NE93721070. Alright, so wish you guys good luck. $292. Checklist, there's it there. Four packs plus 37 plus 310. Empty box. Alright, so good luck, everyone. Base. Base. For Detroit Red Wings, chasing the cup, Jimmy Howard. Base and base. For Philadelphia, Scott Hartnell, Gifted Grinders. Base and base. Base. For the Pittsburgh Penguins, Mario Lemieux. Base and base. Base. For the New York Rangers, Nick Fotiu. For the New York Islanders, Winter Warriors, Michael Grabner. Base and base. Yours truly for the Phoenix Coyotes, Lee Stempniak. For the Montreal Canadiens, Carey Price, Chris is the word. Base and base. base. Mosaics for the Winnipeg Jets. Nick Antropov, Eric Bolton, and Andrei Pavelek. Single jersey mosaics for the Calgary Flames. Mikhail Backlund, Mika Kiprasov, and Jerome McGinley. Base. And base. For the San Jose Sharks at Belfour. Base. Base. For the Montreal Canadiens, Trevor Linden. Base and base. 2 packs left. Base. Red Hat insert for the Boston Bruins, Milan Lucic. Z rookie for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Eric Tangradi. Number out of 999. Base and base. Last pack. Base. Base. For the Vancouver Canucks, Tiger Williams. Base. And base. That's there. Joe Sakic for the Quebec Nordiques. So we have a nice Z rookie parallel for the St. Louis Blues, autograph, Stefan de la Rovere. Number out of 99. Alright, so let's check these base cards. Alright, so they're all base. So we got for break number 292, we got hits from Stefan de la Rovere for St. Louis, Tiger Williams from Vancouver, Eric Tangradi from Pittsburgh, Milan Lucic from the Bruins, Boston, Trevor Linder from Montreal, Ed Belfour for San Jose. Single jersey mosaics from the Calgary Flames. Mosaics from the Winnipeg Jets. Carey Price for the Montreal Canadiens. Lee Stempniak for the Phoenix Coyotes. Michael Grabner from the New York Islanders. Nick Fotu from the Rangers. Mario Lemieux from Pittsburgh. Scott Harnell from Philadelphia. And Jimmy Howard from Detroit Red Wings. Alright, so thank you very much for joining. Hope that your team got good hits and hope to see you on next breaks.